Sa volleyball, susubukan naman ni Creamline Coast Basher standout Nika Celis ang hamon ng iba pang sports. Matapos mag-explore ng pickleball, running naman ang kanyang bagong challenge. Yan ang report TV Jamaica Bayaka.
Sasabak si Creamline Cold Smashers middle blocker Nika Celis sa 10-kilometer race ng 9th anniversary decathlon run sa SM Mall of Asia Complex sa August 30. Ayon sa volleyball star, gusto niyang mag-try ng ibang activities sa labas ng volleyball at enjoyin lang ang experience.
I've been playing volleyball for so many years, maybe more than a decade. Parang it's nice to try something outside of my sport. I've tried pickleball. I really enjoyed it. So this is something new. So why not? Why not give it a try?
At bagamat may regular training si Celis bilang volleyball player, wala naman umanong rule sa Creamline na nagbabawal sa kanya na mag-explore ng ibang sports.
Wala naman any rules that restrict us from doing any extra activities, especially kung running naman. Pero if siguro medyo extreme, something that could cause injury, syempre you'd take precaution and magsasabi ka sa coaches mo, sa management. But I think it's fine. Pero just to be extra safe, sasabihan ko syempre coaches ko.
Hindi lang ang volleyball star ang magiging abala sa running route dahil inaasahang aabot sa 8,000 runners ang lalahok sa nasabing karera na nakatutok sa paghikaya at ng mas maraming tao na maging active. At gusto rin ni Celis na maging mas masaya ang experience kasama ang kanyang mga teammates. Balak niya raw ayain ng ilan sa mga ito para sabay-sabay silang makatakbo.
My only expectation is just to enjoy, honestly. I mean, I'm not gonna say na I'm new to this. I ran a lot nung high school, even up to college. Lagi kami tumatakbo sa Akad Oval as part of our conditioning. So, I'm prepared for what might happen. But overall, syempre, I'm very excited.
Bagong pagkakabalahan ito para kay Nika at game na game siya na maging halimbawa sa iba na huwag matakot sumubok ng bagong hamon at manatiling aktibo.
This is something exciting. This is something new for me to try. Kasi, again, sabi nyo nga, open space, a lot of different people. So it's nice to see other people who are trying to be active. So.
Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bayan.